In this video, you'll learn how to enable email notifications in Gmail so you never miss an important message. We'll go through the process step by step and I'll explain what each option means along the way so you can choose the settings that work best for you. First, go ahead and open Gmail in your web browser. These notification settings are easiest to adjust on a computer rather than on a phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want notifications. Once your inbox is visible and fully loaded, you're ready to move on. Next, we're going to open the settings menu. Look toward the upper right corner of your Gmail window for the gear icon. This is the main settings button. Click that gear icon once. A small panel will slide open with some quick settings, but for what we want, you'll need the full settings page. In that panel, find and click the option that takes you to all settings. This will open a new page with multiple tabs across the top. Now that you're on the full settings page, make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually the first tab and is selected by default, but it's a good idea to double check. If it's not already active, just click the word General at the top. This tab contains most of your basic Gmail preferences, including language, conversation view, and the notification settings we're looking for. Once you're on the General tab, scroll down slowly until you see the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This section controls whether your browser can show you alerts for new emails while you're using your computer. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. It's usually somewhere in the upper half of the general settings page. In the desktop notifications section, you'll see a few different choices. Depending on your Gmail version, you may have options like turning notifications off completely, getting notified for every new email, or only getting alerts for important messages. Take a moment to think about what you really need. If you get a lot of email, you might prefer notifications only for important emails so you're not distracted all day. If you want to be alerted for everything, choose the option that turns on notifications for all new mail. When you click the option you want, your browser might show a prompt at the top asking you to allow notifications from Gmail. This is normal. Make sure to click Allow, or your notifications won't actually appear even if you turn them on in Gmail's settings. After choosing your notification preference, it's important to save your changes. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the general settings page. There, you'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click that button. Gmail will briefly reload and your new notification settings will take effect. That's all you need to do to enable email notifications in Gmail. From now on, as long as your browser is open and you've allowed notifications, you'll see alerts when new messages arrive based on the option you selected. If you ever find the notifications distracting, you can return to the same desktop notifications section and adjust or turn them off just as easily.